We've made it. We're at the end of the last round of this doily. I hope it's gone well for you. I'm making the last chain here. So the last short chain with 3 picots, so 3 stitches, and 3 picots separated by 2 stitches. Last picot, and 3 stitches to finish. Skip 2 picots and join. And all that's left now is the short Victorian set, into which I will add a magic loop with the use of my, or with the help of my helper. I find this method works really well for me. I think it's very quick to add a magic loop this way. Like this, and we're making the last Victorian sets. So 3 first half of a double stitch and 3 second halves of a double stitch. I'm actually going to enclose the loop in the last half because it's such a short chain. So I've enclosed the magic loop into all of the stitches of this very short Victorian set. Remove the helper. Pull back the loop a little bit. And now we can just cut and tie, and then we'll hide the ends, and we're finished, completed. So we're going to tie, I'm going to do it from the back. Just make sure my magic loops don't get in the way, entangled when I make the knot, like this. So I'm going to insert at the starting point and pull the core thread to the back. And make a square knot. And then use the magic loops. Open it out, make sure it's not caught anywhere, and pull through. There's one. So that's not a long way to hide it in that tiny chain, but because there's a knot just before it, I think it will be secure. And the other side. Open the loop, pass the end through, then I pull on the knotted end just until it catches the thread against the stitches. Like this, then open the other side and pull through. Just adjust the shape a little bit and then cut the ends. And that's it, the whole thing is complete. I will go and give it a light pressing because it does frill a little bit on the edges here, the last round. So I'll give it a light pressing and be right back. And here it is, all completed, nicely pressed so it lies flat. And I hope you're happy with your version of it too. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.